He made it.
We're in Ecuador at Flame Adventure, right near the ocean,
Hey,
going to
Duxie.
Puerto Lopez.